Did you know that morning stiffness is not due to age, but to the loss of elasticity in your tissues caused by the lack of daily isometric stretching? According to research from the National Institute on Aging, joint stiffness, muscle weakness, and reduced flexibility are often the result of a sedentary lifestyle. Over time, your muscles shorten, joints lose lubrication, and the connective tissues around them become less elastic, leading to pain, tension, and restricted movement. The good news is that you can reverse much of this with just 10 minutes a day. No pills, no expensive massages, no complicated machines. Just gentle stretches that improve circulation, lengthen your muscles, and give your body the freedom it's been missing. One of the best ways to start your day is with a simple sequence. Begin with the cat-cow movement to wake up your spine, improve posture, and release back tension. Follow that with the butterfly stretch to open your hips, improve balance, and reduce lower back strain. Then move into the supine twist to release pressure in your lower back, increase flexibility, and even help digestion. Continue with a calf stretch to improve blood flow, prevent cramps, and make your legs feel lighter. Finally, finish in child's pose to relax your back, hips, and shoulders while calming your mind and preparing you for the day. Do this routine every morning or before bed, and you'll soon notice less stiffness, better balance, and more energy. In just a few weeks, your body will move more freely, your posture will improve, and those everyday aches you thought were normal will start to fade. Your body still has so much to give you, you just have to start moving.